been here 9 years. First time seeing that boom box. We are pretty much back in the art district. Gonna grab some food, check out some new art, and see where the day takes us. Michelle's up in the house today. Hello.
Hi.
Heard you're starving.
Starving.
I'm trying to get some food myself.
Yeah.
I'm all zoomed in on you.
I'm really disappointed we can't go to Good Pie.
Because it's Monday, and Good Pie's closed on Monday. Just finished some food. Kind of full. Now we're about to go see a giant vending machine if Mark could find it.
Well, I know where it is, but I don't know how to get to that street.
You know, just search around.
Maybe it's big enough that we'll just see it from the side streets. I don't even know if we can get there.
Yeah, we can. It says right here, Carvana unveils the largest vending machine, tallest in the country, at 12 stories high. That's in Atlanta. That's not the Vegas one.
But the whole thing is you're not supposed to go there. Hey.
I know how to do it.
We've been here for 15 minutes and they're trying to figure out how to get somewhere.
It's top secret. There's no address, so...
We can tell you, but then we have to kill you.
Most people would be like, oh, you're not supposed to go. And we're like, we'll figure it out.
I'm pretty sure there'll be signs.
Figure it out.
Okay.
We'll figure it out. If anything, Michele could take the fall.
No.
So this is what they wanted to come see. It's pretty much the feature of buying a car. You buy a car and it comes down like a little elevator. Reminds me of the New York parking. If you've ever been to New York and to park your car, pretty much they pull it into this like one-story building and you're like, what the hell? And they pretty much take it up an elevator and park it, and yeah, it's pretty weird, but looks cool. Michele, what do you think?
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Everything you hoped and dreamed?
Yes.
Yeah?
Mark said I'm weird. But no, I just think it's like so pretty. We see it from the highway. It's all lit up. No, what do you think? This is your first time like seeing it at all, right?
Yeah.
Like since the cars were in it? Isn't it beautiful?
It's cool. It's alright. It's alright.
I think it's cool. Are you gonna buy a car from it?
Probably not. Probably buy a car in the middle of the street for $1,000. Bye, Michele.
Hi.
You're a criminal. Got security over here.
You guys are just making your getaway.
So 6 sheets?
Yeah. It's actually really good. What'd you get? What is this?
This is the Cookie Monster. I got the Cookie Monster's iced coffee.
It's 8:30. And I'm tired. I just want to relax. Oh yeah, this feels good. Yep. Totally forgot today's day after Valentine's Day. The most important day of the year. Let me show you why. boy.